Hi, my name is Greg Nagurney, and I'm the Traffic Safety Resource Prosecutor for the Vermont Department of State's Attorneys and Sheriffs. I'm here today to talk to you about some recent changes that Governor Shumlin signed into law for Vermont's Portable Electronic Device Bill for drivers. Vermont law at Section 23 VSA 1095A prohibits the use of any minor under the age of 18 from driving while using any portable electronic device. Portable electronic device is defined as a cell phone, MP3 player, CD player, laptop, or such similar device. Penalties for a violation of 23 VSA Section 1095A include 2 to 5 points and fines in the range of $200 to $500. Further, DMV has the option of recalling the license of an under 18 operator who uses a personal electronic device while driving. For drivers over 18, portable electronic devices are available only if hands-free. That requires them to have the phone securely mounted either in a cradle or in the seat next to them and permits them to touch the device only once to access the hands-free calling feature. Violations for that include 2 to 5 points and again fines in the range of $200 to $500. Both 1095A and 1095B are primary offenses, and this means that if a law enforcement officer reasonably suspects someone is violating either of those statutes, they may stop the vehicle to investigate further and to issue a citation for a fine and points should the circumstances warrant. Vermont's requirement of hands-free phone use is meant to address a difficulty that law enforcement officers had experienced when enforcing this bill. For example, if an individual was using a phone for texting, that was illegal, but there was no way to differentiate between illegal use for texting and legal use for making a phone call. By requiring hands-free use in all motorists over the age of 18, the legislature has eliminated the distinction that previously had been difficult to enforce. Now officers are permitted to stop an individual simply if they see a portable electronic device in their hand. Texting remains prohibited under Vermont law, which is 23 VSA Section 1099. No driver may use any portable electronic device, hands-free or otherwise, to text, email, instant message, or any sort of similar activity. If you see, as a law enforcement officer, an individual using a personal electronic device that is not hands-free, you may stop that driver to investigate further and issue a citation. This tool that the governor has provided to us is an effective law enforcement device that will add to the safety of Vermont's highways. And I would encourage you to familiarize yourself with these laws, 1095A, 1095B, and 1099 of Vermont's Title 23, so that you may be better equipped to enforce the safety laws on Vermont's highways. Vermont statutes are designed to enforce highway safety and are a valuable law enforcement tool, particularly when the new bill signed by the governor goes into effect on October 1st. If you have questions about this law, you can feel free to contact me at the Vermont State's Attorney's Office, 802-828-2891.
Distracted driving is a factor in an average of 500 crashes every year and 1 fatality every year in the state of Vermont. Vermont Uniform Crash Report forms have recently been updated to collect data on distracted driving. It's important that we ensure we have that form and that we're using it when investigating crashes in our jurisdiction. Highway safety, health organizations are relying on us to help make the roads safer. Proper enforcement, education, and crash data collection is important to that end. I'm Chief Kevin Gibbs, Bristol Police Department, a member of the Vermont Highway Safety Alliance Distracted Driving Task Force, and you can get additional information at highwaysafety.vt.gov.